Before you buy another AI content tool, here's one that's getting a lot of attention. VidPodcast AI promises to turn a simple idea, keyword, or script into a complete interview-style video and audio podcast with AI hosts, realistic voices, and multi-speaker conversations, all without recording equipment or editing software. But is it actually worth checking out, or is it just another AI launch making big promises? Let's break down what it offers and who it's really built for. VidPodcast AI is an AI-powered platform focused on creating interview-style podcasts in both video and audio formats. Instead of recording conversations yourself, the platform aims to generate scripts, AI presenters, voices, and finished podcast episodes from a single prompt. One of the biggest reasons people are talking about it is that it combines several podcast creation tasks into one workflow. Rather than switching between separate writing tools, voice generators, avatar creators, and editing software, the platform is designed to handle much of that process in one place. According to the official product information, it also supports publishing content in over 100 languages and includes a commercial license, making it suitable for both personal projects and client work. Key features. One feature that stands out is the ability to create interview-style conversations instead of simple voiceovers. If your content works better as a discussion or podcast rather than a presentation, that's a noticeable difference. Another highlight is the AI avatar system. The platform can generate talking presenters with synchronized speech and expressions, which could be useful for creators who want video podcasts without appearing on camera. The built-in AI script generation is another practical feature. Rather than starting from a blank page, users can generate podcast scripts from an idea or keyword, which may speed up content production. Language support is also worth mentioning. Being able to create podcasts in more than 100 languages opens opportunities for reaching different audiences without hiring translators or voice artists. Finally, the commercial license means users can potentially create podcast content for clients, something freelancers and agencies often look for when evaluating software like this. Who it's for. VidPodcast AI appears to be a good fit for content creators who want to publish podcasts more consistently without investing in expensive recording equipment. It's also relevant for freelancers, agencies, marketers, coaches, educators, affiliate marketers, and businesses looking to create professional-looking podcast content or offer podcast creation as a service. On the other hand, if you already have a professional recording studio, enjoy recording real interviews, or simply need a basic audio editor, many of the AI-powered features here may be more than you actually need. Pricing and OTO overview. The front-end version launches at $15, making it a relatively low-cost entry point for exploring the platform. If you need additional functionality, there are several optional upgrades. Pros and cons. One of the biggest strengths is convenience. Bringing AI scripting, voices, avatars, interview generation, and podcast creation into one platform could reduce the number of separate tools some creators normally use. The support for multiple podcast formats and multilingual publishing also makes the platform more versatile than tools focused on only one part of the workflow. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. If your workflow only requires simple voiceovers or basic podcast editing, this platform could include features you may never use. Also, some of the more advanced capabilities are tied to optional upgrades, so it's worth reviewing the available additions before deciding which version best matches your needs. Who should skip this? If you're perfectly happy recording podcasts manually and already have professional production equipment, this may not add much value to your workflow. It's also probably unnecessary if you only publish occasional podcast episodes and don't need AI-generated presenters or automated content creation. Final verdict. Overall, VidPodcast AI looks like an interesting option for creators who want to simplify podcast production using AI. Based on the official information, its biggest strength isn't just generating voices or scripts. It's the attempt to combine script writing, AI hosts, realistic voices, interview-style conversations, multilingual publishing, and commercial use into a single platform. It won't replace every professional production workflow, and whether you need the optional upgrades depends on your goals. But if you're looking for an AI-powered podcast creation platform rather than several separate tools, it's definitely one worth exploring further. If VidPodcast AI sounds like it could fit the kind of content you're planning to create, I've left the official link in the description so you can explore the features, watch the demo, and decide if it's the right fit for your workflow.